Hey guys, how you doing? We're back here at Nyack, roughly 40 miles. We should have rain for a couple days at least, 2, maybe 3 days. So I wanted to get them out. It is high clouds, but you can see the sun and you can see blue sky all around us. So they've been sitting for a minute. We're gonna go ahead and turn them out. The plan after it rains, the rain's done after 3 days, we'll be back up here, maybe hit Soda Springs once, and then we'll bounce them over the hill to Boca Reservoir, hopefully early next week, and we could be our first race, you know, a week from tomorrow, possibly. We'll kind of see. Kind of depends on how they come and the weather. So we'll go ahead and get them turned out. It is the direction of home. I'm gonna go box up. We'll see if we can catch them coming in. Hey guys, how you doing? I don't know what to say. Maybe I jinxed it yesterday. There's 6 pigeons in the clock. I have, yeah, it is what it is. Here's a couple coming back now. They're learning every toss. So hopefully we see a big group here before too long. These guys don't really want to land. Yeah, we're sitting at 1 hour right now. It almost looks a little bit hazy, you know, kind of lower. But where we released them, it was high clouds. So here's another single coming in. Wow, this can't be good. I missed them. Pretty good sized group coming in. More behind them. More behind those. Another group coming in here. I'm not gonna lie, I do get a little nervous when there's just 6 pigeons in the clock. This looks good. Hey guys, that's good to see. We had another one trapping, a couple trapping right now. We're missing about 18 pigeons, maybe a little less than that now with these 2 or 3 that are trapping in. But they came good. Split up a little bit, but not nearly as bad as it's been. Clouds are moving in. We're supposed to get rain for 2 or 3 days. So once the rain clears out, we'll probably be back to Nyack one time. We'll go to Soda Springs. If they come good from Soda Springs, we'll jump them to Boca. That's up over the pass, about 70 miles. So here's another one coming in right now. It's been an hour and 15 minutes since I released them. And it's a 40-mile toss. So anyway, hope everyone's doing good, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.